Dr.Frank Amoakohene, the Asante Rɛgional Minister. Me Pewasempa. Since you were appointed as the Minister for Asante Region, I've been following everything that you are doing for the region, and everything you're doing is so marvelous. Yenye politics in Tonche, the share and Santaman Punto. If you know. But one thing I must say, do not be a wolf in a sheep clothing. And young one who then so dying woman and the katana. Who's Asante for the bufu yepa? Abra, utumi efa Kevin Taylor voice under your video, edit dear Santa Maninatem. Wouldn't be able to make it, because I'm looking at the competency level of you rather than me obey with internet. I'm looking at the things you can do to help the region development rather than me old young internet. And until once I'm in car, once I'm doctor, what you paper. Parents say me boba. Yem pecha ma want to me the second BO. Me kind of crash or say the city. And Zembi boba say Asante region in Sasa do one. Sasa ni be muntumbe dane in terms of galamsey pa the mudu. Ushechiri. One kasa boys ni bia sase e kasa. Ukwachi wo mu asase we so a. Na wo sha ase say o question wo mu a. Then they begin to tell you it's a massive wasem call. Yeah, you the Asante Regional Minister or no concession should the way in the saying assassin in Shuno. Seriously, I was here. Dear More, you could see in Okatakyie beginning from how the government is trying to sabotage a galamsey demonstration at Eboban. And they are, and then something that I told that you are, because the tears had their tears. How the Asante Regional Minister, or attacking Santaman Sassina with Otumfuo to a hemful. I know Bia said the Asante Rɛgional Minister, and so I can't be smartest. I was here, you moved to Yanko, Yanko Okatakyie Mensa on a year Adult TV.
Sounds so weird, dear.
Yes, I don't know more.
I didn't see.
You know, is wedding. That's why I'm a panel so cotema. Ufitama no besina kubumpurugu.
So tifaku.
Na tifaku. Na microphone sim huna umadi no all across the world ne so ko kan ho asem. See me ma trinko.
Ajam something wa na ye.
What do I ache? Media me ye film.
And no say no na nsa no bi ka chem say kwame free face say untimi mpie.
Ade.
Say ehu abon. Enti enya de a utimi kura si abonte am say kwame da ben po na me wadwuma hanu oba hai da ben na me no share na wotwe mu bo
yeah that was say afeni ashem now you ever say Friday no
Friday na oba and am say kwame me na share adwuma mu anti e dey
no hu abom say dey na si
I say na say just wano ne kwayi uka so dey na uka ya national security for be fa wo yi
okay
enti wo me say no say ama wako hibernation kra
oh there be see na me adwuma me yi menim se ehun sunsuanso bi no se obeka asem ana atitire bebre di manimu a national security ya amfro o mukeke ya chi wo muko jail me am of ya hinkra frifa o ko jail for a year o kan asem ti ajeje rolling saban uyi o mu friwa ora kwa me pia ni mu ko jail kwa me nkroma ko jail Nelson Mandela ko jail nti sabe ko frifa me ko jail a me ya papa chen o mana it is an money unrehra me. And clearly we are clear in our minds where we are going in this world. Na ye nim de e ka ho nti se ka ho a enhyeda ha adwen bebre.
Ntenya de bibia hunu na wo cry in the
way. I'm crazy 2 seconds I'll rearrange myself and get things right and move. That's all.
Again, adwuma wo ye no se a menka ne social media wo se so what about free to air for the records?
I think yes arrangement no.
I think I'm more and you think you can get a license looking at
oh we so John. Yeah, nyakora na bedu baby benya.
Na no say na me show live stream me hu ya na say fe ade na cat. Nam say hey,
no mu miamia na to say na no me say ayiwa unua Paula no mo chire so kam. So nkrofo no miamia no ni ade nti eja dictatorship biaba. Wona munwa na so odi bone san me hu no nanso ye de asem matwe di amponyame se bibia ya sha se bia no de be kwa wie pa as simple as ABCD.
I see. Yemra, the fight against galamsey asani abadjuma eba be so ankasa meaning say you have been some way somehow at the forefront,
right?
What to anamon bebre under this new government galamsey ko no uhun sa kire bi wo kwame
Mamini kanchia eye adome film atifo na sabre yemfa nchia magana fo baby obia hu yen social media I'm sure say ho ye de nchia mo obia na yenka se galamsey kun no enye Okatakyie fifa kun enye CJ ekun
dabi
ana enye obia in particular kun emum eye nyina ye kun in the sense say se wotenkran na ye tu galamsey obodi asankregwa body osi emfa ho because you don't see direct na mum body a ye dua no asankregwa body bodi ene ne potem ne bia bankran enam se wunnim se edura ye di two body ye di two galamsey no ewura body ni munti no enti na emfa ho ensuo a wonnom no okrum ha ene me no ka se wagya ensuo na omutwiti mankranfo no galamsey ababe wura mu a esen no edi ebia wonfo ni hu tubeka se emfa ho nanso wagya nsuo na ye treat mawo no the tepidity of the water no ye nyina ye tenase a ebe affect ye nti efa ho ebia de obeka se emfa ho nanso unua bi ya transfer ne ko obuase ene ne potemu wokọ ye wanyem wokọ akwawo ne ba o hye yemu no ida so obepon no because of mercury ni metals we yensuom anaso obewo akola na ne nsa ne nan ene ne bibia ni ho it is okase emfa ho efa ho
yeah
se wochina menumie no tenase a ye hospitals no already nankase ye ni enough facilities ebetimi aso yasene na fe enam nsu aye no munti emu kidney diseases a ebe kosoro if a medical expert akachire se galamsey hu sensem ni se ma kidney diseases be kosoro eti se yenyina etenase se mfe ho a afie ho eno na yemu bi yetu ye ho asi wo se yebedi animu na yako ekufo ado penso ya fa nche no yetamtuotu ye kon ho ekonwuram ekokoye de asie ye bia create awareness and the same thing ye na ekufo ado penso eno an ye ne na busa me say galamsey fight na aban yi penso hunu no a
yes because aban blue water gas ye transfer police commanders and anamo ahodo bebre aban yi etu enche kra fe interior minister say ye che foreigner bia yem prosecuting ha ye de do ebe kwanu krom wanyina ya anamonto no ebie enu sta
we CJ force wo adwuma wa ya che na eja me hunu say wo try so be set me say eja metimi abobomu enya ne sadia sebi mponkompo ohirita ne mfui ya shade dia soja fo akọ training ama soja fo ahue tuoto asoja fo huhuhu ya ntimi amfa sa soja fo na mpam galamsey fo na party boys ya omoba ye komdedi wo mo omfunu no omfunu bia di 62 ni 63 ni akwose se o ma hye yellow shirt se wo mo na ye blue water guard fo nti wo mo kwa akoko na we agro na ye dia na de be ya
ohuni se agro
agudie ebise sabi nkrofo no a omhye nwuram ho no sophisticated weapons ekurokuro mu nwuram ho no enye water guard fo asem ne yeken senya agro na mu ne yebedi ana sabi mode eye manfo no adwene di agro water guard fo omhye ye atuo nkura wo ebise military yenye power military group bia eno na also de kokon galamsey how is that possible ene wo ba ye se nioma omoye ade nioma Naija adwoma ma ye na ekufo ado nyendeda si ade soja fo konwuram ni akwose excavators ekufo na ye no krom ha me kan wasem kaka etise na wo ba na akwose excavators na wo hye no mienu miensa ema media fo de ade besiwa se be de no waye wonye
ya reshuffle police commanders in galamsey areas
reshuffle police commanders de wo park anyina ne se o ma no wo ho no galamsey areas no wo mo ye MPP inclined police officers eto mo didi kakra ye mumra fie ne yesu de nkonko didi eno anu ma ye anya ne sadia yewra John Dramani Mahama ene ne minister ne wono esu kire yai o twa adwadwo na duku kura no wo se ne yamotie ne abusa se minister die ntina yamotie so die galamsey ne yi oman no wo hunu bi da ne se minister na wo elembele na ofiri elembele wo kwa wo fa ba bia galamsey ye tu ne kwa ho wo hunu unsunda ene ye de obedi minister a ye de tua kan ho ye de military de police akan ho se kokko fight galamsey na wo besu a kire manfo no edi eni manager mama ba ye waye abeka CJ we eye ni bre onu minister no ne ka kire ye se ye wura kufado on declare state of emergency on mining small scale mining ni amra back to the drawing board ene ye busa ne state of emergency no e wo he omso da bi state of emergency in according to Gbandi, Mustafa Gbandi.
Yes.
You declare Emma investors in Makrunim. Nana Kufadu, no declare and cotton a Babakrunim. Had you been no? Yet here Kufadu Kopasembra. LI 246.
Yes.
I am Makwami Ray Forest in Mune and Chirima, the Ombeba to Swono, Yakwako Seno. Oh, your campaign, I catch a month for the say. Me ba Samra and me repeal.
And that's why I'm
and I will come broth, you can repeal the amendment. NCG. You call law school to where you want to say, repeal nature say, you're funny at Timo to watch and as if say, it never even happened.
Yeah.
And the one by Anna Jumanasem was one who say, oh, God, no, here and a forest in the bitter. It's any Mr. Madaruma. Where the Minyanti team, no mamma quantum for Pakwasi powder, Kakra, and money, Nam fan 20 and the home. Until the month for any year.
And the gold board, yeah, Babe.
Gold board, no galamsey board, and what year? Oh, galamsey board.
Gold board, no, yes, stop smuggling. No,
if it's all shut there, the gold board, no, no, Mobaya. Gold board, no, on to gold in free a year new month to ho. On to gold in free precious mining ho. On to gold in free Anglo gold Ashanti. Also, beto gold the free small scale miners.
Yes, sir.
Menu me anu Kuma. Sir, on Krata, so the synchrophobia small scale miners. Nemo in reality, omu adu ye no money galamsey difference be any. It's so now better gold board. Now man who said 12 tons of gold now open every month. It will here free a small scale miners wa. Kachira yese me here free galamsey yes ho. It me disika kwashe galamsey yes nechi. According to section 14 of the Gold Board Act. Na ya mu musika momotimi to galamsey na say nsuni ensa say. Enti nyoma ye rajoma ama kan opposition bia no oba ye de oye bia ne bobra eno ne atena se adwene wa hunu se kwasi ada be ye da memene da nwumre taso de na ekoso no ena me hunu se kwasi ada be de ene oba ye taso de ekoso nyina ne se MPP for modidi kakra ye mama kwan ne asu emra ne medidi bi enti na me ne wo kasa brantie bi ye friend pepra was a small scale miners association president. One year small scale miners association. Confide the war year forest wookmase. And a sentiment.
The prayer or yeah,
prayer with dear children what the Asante Regional Minister Dean. Sir Asante Regional Minister concession site in Warresmano. Wolf your fro be Jabaru,
me allegations I will make it.
Me patronium and me make allegations. And now no bulldog. Me Kotina or Mr. K1ng. And some more branch here, Kotena, would you get a new man? Said one of the concession site to Soma a year Asante Regional Minister.
Dr. Amoakohene. And
name in the worker say Kurano. Seminoka say, no must send me video. One no Mrantia be my boy be prepara. Now a site or young Wajuma. What did you terrorizing Crawford? A war a year Santimemo. So clearly, Omoka a year preaching virtue, but practicing vice. And see, your radio mama, ye caught near Kwakubisa say. And someone near can yes and I can. Oka so be repeal. One can amendment as him. Oka so ba be declare state of emergency. One can see a bar ye be bobo the parkwesi powder abu bobo. Name of Diana we. Oba ye dear here pan is what gold board. Na enya wa semwa. Ye rasamija fitu communications expert par excellence. Na waba ye na no extreme cubic. Tienio. Extreme cubic in Nananki a day Ibrahim Mama yeah. So are you company dear? Oko share company law. Almost a company near different from the owner. It's Ibrahim Mama and almost were a part of extreme cubic owners dear. Now so extreme cubic you know. Sami Jamfina na kasama for the extreme cubics. I extreme cubic here and then care call. You can't say you're a box IT.
Yeah.
None one says Sami Jamfi. Ya tu abawi ya ni adwini ndwen so anko ba ye communications ayi ni ade ni ayi na koma aban no o de hu yan se trom omne na kwhye PMMC afi ya so PMMC ni kwa ye bedane na wo so no na afi ye de akoye gold board ni ebusa se gold board ne be dey so gold e wa Ghana nyina ye ba beto na gold board ni nkwa na betimi ato na si no what bi da every 1970s aye nyina ye gitu mu se state controlled market a good mine, a bomb mine. Enti ne me no kase kura China wono eye communist state no. China so will liberalize the market. A wodi pesika. Ene ye de idea. Gold board no aba no. Wodi ye say go back to 1970. So we see a ban gold market ya. O ma wo bia memu metobi. Emu ye ka competitive pricing. Demand and supply they say determine the pricing of bibia. And ye rajo mama say what the gold no year to the galamsey ni nyina ba be hye woni nua ene ne lamfofo nsa
to cure what they call smuggling e ba be cure
smuggling bay if so ba ye gold no se 1% nkrofo be smuggler de wo aban no be ya ne se wo simi so bi market ni bi na mo 10 cedi amemba mo 12 cedi enye competitive price amanfo de be bro amoato edi na afre wo simi pamu obi afrim na mo menko mi koginam na mato gold no awa bra ye world market price for gold and you say aban na say to gold ni free manfo no ho wo beton at what price na dia call world market price at what price ave aban ne so no ne be determine Ghana say Bank of Ghana ne be determine the price of gold ento mo buy mo ni ye mo ye nyina ye wi a kire kura so yakote Ghana China Galamsey Association Gold Mining Association then so ye nyina nim say Galamsey Association abaya waba waso wo bebo ye nsuo ho ban ebebo ye forest ho ban na wo ka kire ye se wo che China ni no ase ye nsuo so wo che China ni na say ye forest onfa China ni nkogina mra anim sije na mom China ni say ye nsuo ma ya batan nom China ni say ye nsuo ma ye nuanem nom na mo ono de o che no ande obeye no so de China ni betena plane mu no apam no se kɔ eno ye no mamu nko no munsu papa e wo China na we wuti bi da bai senya na dwuma na sɛm a aban no abawo siye wo bɛbɔ ye nsuo ho ban enso so ɔkyebɔki nani wɔkye kodivu ani so mu sɛ ye nsuo a wo munye interested in prosecuting ɛyɛ nipa no de be ya no so mɛka kyerɛ sɛ kokodivu a kɔno munsu papa na ye nsuo ne forest na wasɛ no ye mane ye yire nom na we asɛm we wodwene ho a ɛtew sɛ
Kwame Generational Rights Protection Society ɛyɛku bɛn
ɛyɛku a ye nyina ye Ghana fo
yes
na yatena se ahwɛ ye nananom ko mmerɛ bi atwam ye nana ba ko a mo kan ne pa ye mensa saba ana okote Aborigines Right Protection Society Aborigines Right Protection Society na de botai si na ni so ne sɛ ye de ahodi asase na kwasi kokko kwasi broni under the crown aba no ne yabetena afo ne yabetena wie ya waso yensa ase ne kro ba beto so no wo ko pass bibia e friend Crowns Act bill wo de baji yensa ase ne nyina kwa kwahye Queen Elizabeth ana kencha asensa nene nka woto asase wo abura dunkwawo eso ko kencha ase wo no asan ama se ampa media asase no ebe ma wana memfa ma ka woto asase wo gamashi eso ko kencha ase wo no asan ana mensa saba mo se dabi yantana ho enhwe ne saa as you protected the next generation one more right to a yes asasi ampani ampa wo mo de abrofo disi ani na saa Crowns Act bill no anya adwuma ene ye ba ye nuanu bi o mo di anim sije wo mo chen kwasi kokko boni a wo mo tirimu nti eye agudia ne nsase ye jama yesi ye mra mensa saba mo fight yesi mra ne mra ma enjoy ne nya bi man chirima no ene o mo ba ye greed of the selected few wamutu asase ne se ne sa wamutu nsuo se ne sa Tano River na we Ankobia River na we bibia ri wo krom ha ani atena se ne ese da bi se ye nananom ye bi dia ani yensuo be ye bia gyanchirima na ye wo musu ani Okatakyie no an wo katia ban ne ade nam se na me katia ban ye nsuo no esai omo se ane forest ne esai omo se ane no omo se yankia no ntum because of de ban ya see it's in a Generational Right Protection Society the ye kan say said the mensa saba mo ekon ye ema ne ye nyansase a ye kan ho asem no sanso ne yanso ye beko ama nchirima aba ba enjoy sasase eti ye bota esi ene so no
okay it's no demonstration
e
ba so da ben
galamsey must fall
yes
which is a ye juade ye di anim ya
o chenechi
juade ya about 2 p.m. ye nyina we a different demonstration altogether nya no pade no 2 p.m. near share Brasport.
Why 2 p.m.? Senka demonstration.
Oh, you bomb overnight. Hey, any bro? Yeah, shim overnight. CJ.
And I shall say 2 p.m.
I shall say 2 p.m.
Everything.
Yeah, bo procession. Edi soon, Ebiajo, Edi Remua could do police headquarters enim. Or Brasport Nashas here. Near the police headquarters enim. Near Busa police force, Mona Muya law enforcement agents. Moni Aduma Kosi Yachire Marato. Sabin kamonsha suma manfo ni nimra so ne abusa IGP say IGP na da de na ekoso wuntimi hwemra isu yi ye wi afa ye wura John Dramani mama on the executive authority ewo police ewo military ɛwɔ immigration ɛwɔ bibia wɔ ne nsam yɛwie yɛ ne na kɔ social contract by virtue of say to Obama no December 7th ɛma ne bɛyɛ ɛyɛ president of the republic no yɛne ne wɔ social contract sije it is a social contract and yɛn honor yɛ part of the bargain yɛpɛsi yɛkɔ ne kɔ bisa nsɛ da bɛn no obetumi atu anamɔn ɛwɔ galamsey nsɛm yi ho na wɔn soma ne minister so ɔmra mi so etu wadaroma yɛbɛkɔ Flagstaff House anim na ɛno ne yɛka agya polisifoɔ sɛ ɔda bi antwe ma nkɔ ne yɛsɛ yɛbɛkɔ
nka mbɛbisa sɛ polisifoɔ ama mo kwan
saa deɛ wɔyɛ na media no so mom yɛmmoa yɛ kakra woka sɛ polisifoɔ ama kwan a sɛgye polisi biara ne tumi so ɔma obi kwan anaasɛ obɛdi nae obi yɛnkan mmara no ye yɛwɔ Public Order Act 1994 Act 491 saa Public Order Act no section 1 ɛka ne clear sɛ so obi pɛ sɛ ɔhold special event bi a yɛka special event in this case a demonstration yɛnkan hunu sɛ demonstration the right to assembly is guaranteed under the constitution that is chapter 5 freedom of speech freedom of assembly freedom of BBI is guaranteed na mmom sɛ wopɛ sɛ wofa saa freedom of assembly no a mmara ne sɛ section 1 ne sɛ kɔ polisifoɔ hɔ kɔbɔ ɔmo amaneɛ wankasɛ kɔgye permit firi ɔmo hɔ na polisifoɔ no kɔ ɛsɛ ɔmo babɛbɔ ho ban nti eti ne yɛsɛ kɔka kyerɛ ɔmo 5 clear days you are satisfied that requirement
mabɔ police for amaneɛ
yɛbɔ police for amaneɛ na woka section 1 2 3 hɔ no a ɔse sɛ kɔba ne sɛ police ade kɔmaa no no sɛ biribi nti wɔmo ntimi mma sɛ ebi a wɔmo ni workforce no sɛ ebi a baabi a woyɛ no ɔmo mpɛ sɛ ebi a ɛyi time a woyɛ no ɔmo pɛ sɛ ɔsesa no a police ne nto ɔmo nsa mfrɛ organizers ɛne ɔmo nyɛ tete mmara ne na ka ne pefee section 1 of Act 491 owie yɛ no wɔ sɛ kɔba ne sɛ police ne organizers ni hyia na sɛ adwen ankɔ bankuro mu a police ne the only place that has the right to protect the fundamental right of the people the court if say yɛfiri baabi ne yɛba baabi mmerɛ bi a atwa mu Kwame Nkrumah no yɛ executive power and yɛde the protection of the fundamental right of the people ɛhyɛ ne nsa meyɛhwɛ so ate ria koto case ne ɛfiri saa evidence ne gbedema na wo no ne adeɛ ne yɛfiri hɔ ne yɛba and yɛde the protection of the human right ahyɛ court nsa police yɛ part of the executive branch of governance ɔmo ni tumi so ɔmo timi stop it anaso ɔmo ka kyerɛ sɛ kɔ unless sɛ so ɔmo dwen so ɔmo ntimi ma anya na nso waso ɔden sɛ ɔbɛyɛ dia the only place they can seek remedy so ɔmo court me no ka sɛ police in court let no matwura bere yɛn sɛ baabi a yɛ hold demonstration ne sɛ Flagstaff House anim no ɔmo me yɛ kwan me yɛ hodi ne yɛ se adan ɔmo so security installation nam sɛ security installation da bia trotro nam hɔ security installation da bia yɛ so pia ɔta na manimu na yɛ kɔ gina hɔ ne bɛyɛ dan ɔmo so ɔmo mpene yɛn sesa venue no ane yɛ se da bi deɛ ɛboa ma 1948 Kenya yɛ benya fa ahodeɛ 1957 ɛyɛ 24th February crossroads yɛ nananom mu bi Sergeant Ajete Cooperative private odatilamti wo munya akukuduro eka so mo ba maachi akọ the seat of presidency wo mu say the CN was unfortunate nanso yenso de sa akukuduro no maachi akọ the seat of the presidency to go and ask them sese bi mpraduasan mo ne yede yetumi ama mo yede sika aka ho yede police aka ho ede soja aka ho mo pemmere dodo san na ade a eku ya maame no mo bodi asankragwa asante agona bo ayi bodi ne de keka ho da ba na mo hia etimi dia so bia mai enti e de e be kɔ no Flagstaff House animo until say court e be ka so me kwan me enko
enti by Monday na say injunction bia badia injunction bia ambadia
we police for ya frɛ na no pa sɛ ombe so mo hia ye ma ye ensan ye anobaba ye ye kokoduru wa de be sie bia no ebia no ma me alternative better so ma me alternative better dia there is a reason to ye person ye demonstration you know symbolically what the a Flagstaff House in front after all uko we are for nyina White House and MCJ yenye demonstration or bia Buckingham Palace ahinia kese we are se ba akupa no nanimu yenye demonstration de bia enti se yenye demonstration wa ha occupy Ghana ye bi enanu menu abaka Oliver one democracy have for ye ho anom koye no Edi Rajo mama ba ye no all of a sudden aye security installation na ade be. Eye be ko ne ewura kwatwetwe nkomo. Why?
Kwame.
Yey.
Enti galamsey must stop. Nyame adoma eduada.
Galamsey must fall.
Must fall.
It will fall.
Okay. Nyame adoma eduada.
Eduada 2 p.m. Near 10 or 3 days. Hey. Are.
until saying
that demonstration here kona no pakosi anwumre ne nwrenwra omo hunu esa all this second for so na ta so no omo hunu tiwe ye no omo bowa ne hwe the conduct of the people kura ne betimi extending na you may never know nature will take its course every kura 1 month na kwa say yellow demonstration ne agu street sa 1 month cause asem no ye kan ehu se mo the gravity of asem no ye kan wa asi abo pressure yensa asi nyina all across the nation wo de otia wo ye journalist wote okọ keta yesa no okọ body yesa no okọ Asante Rɛgional ehokora de ne kankan mu a enti yame ne amra nkukun we ne ye na MPP NDC a mo nyina mo ya we semeti ye me political party MPP pa enso me political party MPP nyina akufo ado wo so me de ne tiri pempem wo hu se ya fa galamsey hu a eno ne ko nwuram ko che China for meboa me de me nkwa to ekokɔkye ada na manka say ye me party nti make man watum ye wura mu Asante Ibomfa Asante Akyem ye ko ye chairman Luta MPP chairman na agya ne nkrofo hyemu na grow ye che ne me ba mbebo ne din ama manfo hu se me am chairman dwabe wono na etu galamsey eti edu galamsey kun no a we don't care whether MPP or NDC we must all come together and know the existential threat of this menace ni anyina yem fight why
kwa na me no ase ne fancy ha ejodo nyame aduma galamsey must fall
wobeba if so di animu front line munyina mo yem ho agya media bi amba betu ye
in fact galamsey kun de ye nyina ye de because from where I sit here ya ka ho asemo so this demonstration will all be part
side na me so be side
we will be part of it.
Now history will be kind to us me that's be brave
and MPP from penny for they being serious at all. Most of them. You know why? Because Okatakyie had a press conference in Azania against how the Greater Accra Regional Minister Mahama is walking through him to tarnish, to stop the galamsey at the Flagstaff House. They say, me who MPP pending for our own SCA, so we here to me 2018. Men kaidi me who no humpo. Say one more tarnish or come Ghana assassin. And truly, they can also walk through Okatakyie to fight for what Ghana really wants. Good land, good water. And who I saw my time be about Okatakyie so. Hey, when you serious in life, every before I get serious, I'll be both position back 300 years. They should be serious. And I expect, say, demonstration here air basui. Ending of air this month. Me who MPP for see the NDC for last year December you who Sami Jemfi okudu twa even TV and radio presenters are almost year NDC for movie actors entertainers omo nyina ntimi ko tai last year odi MPP for mo de monyam ho krakyesem monyam ho IC yebuye ho upon everything that Akufo-Addo did ana mo de bold position ho no ana mo de bold position ho no mo de hwe na mo akota Okatakyie 28th, 29th, and the rest of the days are this demonstration. Here, cousin. Share the woman anymore. Munya man so. Yedi atitie ho, yedi impaired the attempt. Can be tell a bit dim at mama bo position watch it. So musi munhwe nyansa. You have been a back say go and support Okatakyie FIFA. The guy is fighting for Ghana. The guy is fighting for MPP party. You better nani akana kure. And Dr. Amoakohene, you look very innocent. At the end of the year, Asante Mansasi. At the end of the year, Asante Mansasi. And what you said, the shape in Mutim were NDC. Among your quoting said, Asante Rɛgional and also feel said, Regional Minister position, also chance Asante on. 2 days, 2 ideas, when Asante in too. The 2 minutes on a hand for Sana also show trip. So it's now you should Kevin tell us how the DD Asante for in atem. 2 months Santene. Oh, San and Sass will be entering current now. To me now, when I don't feel it's so enough, as in the seat of Asante. Many cars I went to. Before Ghana, ever for me, whatever democracy. Asante was there and has always been there. And there are real documents, proof of documents of the Asante joining Ghana. Dr. Amoakohene, who's he? Joining means he wasn't part of Ghana. And if there is evidence, if the president of the Republic of Ghana, there is evidence and one can Ghana one. Anytime you put it in your mind, with me film. On the other regions, before K1ng Ghana, now Yaji Wamodada. And after K1ng Ghana, Yaji Wamodada. This that we are talking about, the Asante that we are talking about, they joined Ghana. Volta region, they joined Ghana. Who's the American? And these people, they join Ghana, they can go at any time. It is no to me now have a show sano. And you know, do not be a wolf with the sheep clothing. Okay? In the sight of Ghanaians, you're the best. Me, I love you. You're doing a massive job. But you cannot do a massive job for the development of a country or a region you claim to come from, and at the same time, their source of water, you are poisoning them. What kind of person are you? If you claim to love where you come from, you love your people, please do not attack their water bodies, because water is life. Make us say, "Obi jina hobe tron kwa sesem comment section as na chama won to me so eh. Chama won to me aba na wo so. Ono na sense ase no. You know, the current regional minister and so sense as no. Again, we vote for change. We don't vote for continuity of what we said was wrong. There is supposed to be massive amendment, and that is what we voted for. Dr. Amoakohene, and see Asante Rɛgional na engini so Otumfuo ntimi nto ade asunti de wo pɛ da wo ye. So obɛboa Asante ase de men kan wasɛm no. Koso na boa. Ne papa mu e betina ha ba beka. But for you to damage or be a reason why people insult Asante man, your tissues were street in so be shit. Unyakidi, we do in In case of any update, let's share on this video. Waiting somewhere, a free Asante man with Asante Rɛgional Minister claims Eboba so we involved in the things Asante in the fighting and what a mention. Galamsey, Macram.
K1ng, oh boy, Juma, we did the Jacob. So now see commentary or social media, no style of blogging, fantastic. So now see commentary, news in the bar. So now see commentary for home, so good. Keep on going.
And the Ostan also, the other tribe are full. Sorted, India terminate. That's how becano. It's so painful. I know shit. I don't know the commentary like or you as a presenter, sports presenter that they are. And we need maybe a local strength free debate. It's all good. Oh yeah, the K1ng Ghana, K1ng will try.